She ditched her regular white attire, donned a black coat.
I can challenge, I can beat lakhs of people here in Delhi. And I can pellet them in front of anybody else.
West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has made it clear. She will not back down this time. The Didi versus EC battle has entered the next phase and the national capital. And the SIR showdown is only going to escalate. After filing an anti-SIR plea in the Supreme Court against the Election Commission, Mamata Banerjee and her team arrived in the national capital to meet the Chief Election Commissioner Gyanesh Kumar. After the meeting, the West Bengal CM lashed out. She called the CEC arrogant and a liar.
कभी ऐसा इलेक्शन कमीशन को नहीं देखा जिन्होंने इतना एरोगेंट है, ग्रेट लायर है.
She also accused the poll body of acting as a BJP agent.
आप बीजेपी का वॉइस से काम कर रहे हैं, आप इंक्लूजन नहीं कर रहे, आप डिलीशन कर रहे हैं.
To make her case, she questioned why the EC did not conduct the SIR exercise in BJP-ruled Assam and why poll states are being targeted over the same.
आपने असम में बीजेपी का गवर्नमेंट है, आप असम में नहीं किया SIR, आप नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न में नहीं किया SIR, आप बंगाल को किया, तमिलनाडु की किया, केरला का किया.
Mamata Banerjee did not stop there. She took a jibe at Gyanesh Kumar, saying his fate would be like that of former VP Jagdeep Dhankar.
मैंने बोला आपका हाल भी धनकर का माफिक होगा.
The West Bengal CM claimed she walked out of the meeting midway because she was humiliated. But the EC version is diametrically opposite. Election Commission sources have told India Today that Mamata banged her hand on the table during the meeting and left abruptly. Sources added that no arguments or heated exchanges took place and that TMC is threatening poll officials. Earlier, Mamata Banerjee had picked up a fight with Delhi police, alleging torture and atrocities against Bengalis in the national capital. This isn't the first time she has protested in this manner. Street politics has been Mamata's greatest strength, and she revels in it. That is exactly how she plans to fight the poll body's SIR move. The image of a chief minister campaigning on a wheelchair with one foot in a plaster, throwing a football, Bengal's favourite game, at the crowds, saying Khela Hobe was the most successful TMC campaign during the 2021 assembly polls. The viral footage of the same CM barging in and retrieving a green file purportedly containing her party's poll plans in the middle of an unannounced ED raid at the IPAC office in Kolkata is the latest, and indeed a powerful one. The BJP says Mamata is scared of SIR and that the anxiety of people over the ongoing exercise in the state has been self-generated by the Chief Minister.
ममता बनर्जी सच बात नहीं बोलती है, झूठा बात उनका आदत है, ये सबको पता चल गया है.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी का स्टैंड क्लियर है. हम लोग रोहिंग्या को लेकर, बांग्लादेशी जिहादी को लेकर के, मृतो वोटर को लेकर के, फॉल्स वोटर को लेकर के चुनाव होने नहीं देंगे. नो SIR, नो वोट.
As the Feb 14 deadline for the final voter list approaches, the fight for Bengal is set to see new twists and turns every day. Needless to say, it'll be a tussle like never before, and Khela Hobe indeed. With Bureau Inputs, Astha Bhardwaj for India Today.